bank again. Okay, so start to get ready to level off. Can you see those buildings again yet? These ones here. So those are the ones you're heading towards at the moment. That's it. So you know, when you sort of think you're heading towards them, just level your wings. Flat 15 speed. We don't want to climb now, we just want to gently go down towards those buildings so that we're probably around about 1,500 feet when we get to the buildings. We're at 2.2 now, so we're about 700 feet to lose between. Nose down a little bit. That's it. Looking good. Now it's a little bit darker, you can see some of those lead lights. You can see some of those lead lights there because it's a little bit darker now. So once we get over the buildings, just a nice gentle curve around, heading towards the green hill and then curving around onto the centre line. That's it.
We maintain the 1500?
No, we're climbing, we're going down now. We're descending down to about 800 roughly at the green and then turning onto the runway there. So you've got to be around about 800 when you get to here. And there's your centre line of your runway. There's the end of the runway just there. Don't turn towards that hill. So back towards the green there. So straighten up there. We don't want to bump into that hill there. So back around here. Okay, flaps 30. Come around now towards that little green patch there. But keep away from this hill here. Pull back a little bit more. A bit more. Come on back.
1,000.
Okay, cabin's prepared. Gear down. Flaps 30 to be brake armed. Push the nose forward a little bit. So now visually just going down, landing on the runway. So you need to push your nose forward a bit and turn onto the runway. See? Otherwise you won't make the runway. So come around here, that's right. Not too low on the nose. As soon as you think you're straight down the centre, straighten those wings up straight away. Pull the nose up a little bit, straighten those wings.
500.
That's good. Once you're level,
400.
there, keep flying down. So straighten the wings again, looking good.
300. 200.
Good. Keep flying towards the runway.
200.
Keep wings level. Wings level.
100. 50.
Start to pull back
40.
very gently, but not too much.
30. 20.
Hold it about there. Push forward a little bit. Push forward, yeah. It's probably a bit too much back.
10.
That's it. Pull back a tiny bit. Yeah, that's it. Good. That's good landing.
With my first second time.